Hello everyone. Today we're excited to present GitPlus, an AI-powered platform that helps developers to understand any public GitHub repository in minutes. So let's begin. I have pasted a GitHub public repository. Once submitted, GitPlus starts analyzing the entire codebase. Behind the scenes, we first use Gemini to generate a high-level understanding of the repository. Using specialized system prompts, it identifies the most important files, entry points, architecture, and overall project structure. Next comes our indexing pipe. The repository is parsed and every file is processed through our 4-stage chunking pipeline. It includes repository parsing, intelligent ML-based chunking, parent-child hierarchical chunking, and semantic chunking. At the top, you will notice several sections. Let's begin with onboarding. With a single click, GitPlus generates a personalized onboarding guide for any new developer joining the project. Instead of reading hundreds of files, they receive a structured roadmap explaining where to start, the project is organized, everything. Next is security section. Here GitPlus analyzes the repository and highlights potential security vulnerabilities, risky coding patterns, and recommendations to improve the code security of the project. Now let's move to pull request. GitPlus includes an AI-powered PR reviewer. It analyzes all the PRs, explains the changes, identifies possible issues, and suggests improvements. Similarly, in the commit section, you can inspect any commit and instantly understand what changed, why it changed, and the impact it has on the code base. Now let's open the chat section. This is where the real power of GitPlus comes in. Every repository is embedded into Action Vector database. Whenever a user asks a question, GitPlus performs semantic retrieval to fetch the most relevant code chunks before generating an answer. This ensures every response is grounded in the actual repository instead of making assumptions. Now let's test it with an unrelated question. Since GitPlus is designed specifically for this repository, it would not hallucinate or answer questions that are outside of the repository. Finally, let's look behind the scene. Here is our Act10 vector database. For this single repository, GitPlus generated over 1000 of semantic vectors, all of which are stored for efficient semantic search and retrieval. We choose Action because of its consistency, reliability, and performance for vector search. We are running Action locally using Docker Compose, and complete setup instructions are available in our GitHub repository. And that's the GitPlus. Thank you everyone.